Okay, so in this video, guys, I want to talk to you about point-slope equation of a linear function. You're probably used to this from algebra as y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. Now, in AP Calculus, typically we just solve that for y and add the y1 to the other side right here. And in this case, the formula is just given as y naught instead of y1. It doesn't really matter what notation you use there, but we're typically going to follow this this form of the point slope equation. And the name says it all. If you know a point and you know the slope of a linear function, you can write the equation. So I want to find the point slope of equation of the line with slope m equals -3 that passes through the point -1, -1. So m equals 3. This is our x naught. This is our y naught. The form is y equals y naught plus m times x minus x naught. Just fill it in. Y equals, y naught is -1. Slope is -3, so -3, parentheses, x minus, x naught is -1, so subtract -1, and you would get 1 plus 1 there. Now, you leave it like that because that's point slope equation of a line. If you simplify the right side by distributing the -3x and combining, or the -3 and combining like terms, that will just give you the slope-intercept form equation of the line. Now, that being said, there are other lines and forms of equations. For example, a horizontal line always has the form y equals a number, and there is no x variable in the equation. That's going to give you a horizontal line, and you just draw it at the height of whatever the number is. In the example there, it's y equals 3. Similarly, a vertical line always has the form x equals number. And it's just a vertical line drawn through the x-axis at the point whatever that number is. And they just showed the intersection point of the two lines here. Now, there's a slope-intercept equation of a line. Again, the name says it all. If you know the slope and you know the y-intercept, you can write the slope-intercept equation of the line. The y-intercept is actually the point 0, b, and m is the slope. So in this picture here, b is the point where it crosses the y-axis, and then the rise over run would give you your slope. The general linear equation is the form ax plus by equals c, and that's also known as the standard form of a linear equation. Typically, that's written where a and b are integers, and a and b both can't be 0. If they both were 0, you would have 0 equals a number, which would be a false statement. All right, guys, that's it for point slope form and other forms of equations of lines. Hope that was helpful to you.